What's up, guys? Welcome back. Today we're going to make some homemade cheese. This is going to be a mozzarella type cheese, and you want to start out your recipe with 4 cups of milk on low heat. Then you want to use half of a teaspoon of salt. That's all for preference, and you want to just stir that around on medium heat. That way you don't scorch the bottom. Next, we're going to add 2 tablespoons of lemon juice. You can also substitute this for vinegar. A true mozzarella cheese is going to need an enzyme called rennet. We don't have that. If you want that cheese to last, you're going to have rennet. This is a fresh cheese, so we just want to stir that around in there and let it heat for about 15 minutes, and then we can strain it, pull it off the heat after it turns to curds with that acid. I've got cheesecloth and a strainer, and now we want to separate the curds and the whey. We're just going to dump that cheese and that whey into the cheesecloth, and then we're going to tie it into a knot and try to press out as much of that whey as we can. You want to be sure to keep that whey and catch it into another pot, because you can use that later in making other stuff like biscuits or gravy, or there's a lot of other recipes that you can use that whey in. After it's tied in a knot, you want to let it sit in the fridge overnight before you unwrap it. Before you put it in the fridge, you can add herbs and spices to it to make that beautiful mozzarella. But once we have our block of mozzarella, there's only one thing left to do, and you know what that is. Subscribe for more content. If you enjoyed this video, please consider checking out our YouTube channel and subscribing on Facebook, where we do all kinds of other stuff. I hope this was helpful for you, and see you on the next one. You're not going to get it sitting on the couch. Alright then.